I'm too sexy for my grill. Too sexy for my grill. Too sexy for my grill. I haven't done turkey in a while. Let's do turkey. Smoke, smoke, smoke that cigarette. A little bit of smoke, which means I probably have a buildup of Earls on the griddle. I probably need to scrape it down, re-season it, and I'll get to that eventually. Anyway, right now it's just smoke, and it gets hot up here. This is almost on low, and ooh, that's hot. If I turned it up to high, it would burn out my wiring. It gets so hot. Anyway, my doctor told me I gotta start eating better. Can you believe that? The quack! Actually, he's a really good doctor. So, that's, we got turkey. Turkey used to be about the cheapest meat you could get. You kids probably don't remember, but once upon a time. Anyway, now it's expensive. So we got a local butcher shop has their own seasoning blend. And that's what I'm using because I got a giant jug of it. Salt, garlic, spices, food starch, sugar, parsley, yada yada yada. I'm gonna get that on there. Now I shoulda coulda put some salt and pepper on an hour or two ahead of time, and that would have really brought out the flavor. Anyway, Trader Joe's, everything but the leftovers. This is put out at Thanksgiving, and I stock up on it because I like this stuff. It's good on chicken, turkey, and poultry, and Thanksgiving. And let's give it a little bit of seasoning. Is it too bright? Let's move you around a little. Just a little bit of flavor. Going to Flavor Town. Okay, we're gonna do this, but also gonna give it a party hat. Let it bask in its own juices, and hold on, and we'll be back shortly. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. Let's just take, ooh, look how it's browning already. Probably need something to flip it, huh? Clack, clack, clack. Let's flip this baby over. Looks like we might need a little more Earl under there. So let's just Earl it up. Same seasonings. If I can figure out how to open it. Ooh. Yeah, the salt and any meats, if you do it an hour to 2 hours ahead of time, really, it gets in there and breaks down the meat for you, and it's really softens things. Now, I know it's way too early, but let's check the temperature just so I can show off my thermometer. Yeah, it's raw inside. I want it to be about 170, minimum 165, and we're about 100 degrees below that. So we got some cooking to do, and hold on, take a break, smoke them if you got them. We'll be back. Okay, let's take another peek, shall we? Ooh, is that pretty or what? That's a good looking turkey. Getting a good char. Ooh, it's smelling good. Halfway tempted to get my bacon press out. Ooh, it's tender. Anyone care for medium rare? No. Actually, if you're bored, look up medium rare chicken on the Googles. That's at 90, 100. Ooh, that's over 100. Okay. Look up on the Googles medium rare chicken. People have done it. That's all I can say about that. Anyway, we're going to let this cook some more. We're getting close. It's not going to take long. The elapsed time has been about this long. I don't know. Anyway, we'll be back. Okay, y'all. I've been flip-flopping, and I did add just a little bit more of the leftover seasoning. Just a little. And looky there. Looky there, looky there. Huh? Is that gorgeous or what? So take its temperature. Make sure it doesn't have a cold. 130. We're getting close. 135. Ooh, 140 there. See, I'm 2 notches above low on the griddle, and it's getting hot. Hot, hot, hot. Ooh. Really hot. So let's add maybe just a little bit more flavor. Maybe just a touch more Cajun. So you ain't had Cajun turkey, boy. You need to get on it. We're getting close. It's been about this long. We'll go about this much longer and see what happens. What do you think, y'all? Are we getting any closer? Normally I'd make you sit through the whole thing, so this would be an hour and a half long episode. I wouldn't really do that. 20 or 30 minutes maybe. 150. Why is it stopped at 150? Oh, 160 there. But we want it, and 170 there. But we want it 170 everywhere. 150. Ooh, that's getting hot. Hot, hot, hot. One thing we don't want is botulism. That's pretty close though. 165 that last reading. Let's flip them around a little. Oh, maybe my temperature regulator's off, you think? Maybe I'm just off. I've been told that before. Off my rocker, off my griddle, off my game. That's 160. That's 150. Oh, I'm gonna keep it flipping. keep it cooking. Try to keep it from burning. Try to keep my griddle from burning up. And hopefully it won't be too much longer. Okay, y'all. That's it. I'm calling it. We're done. We got turkey. So, let me stick it here. Look. Huh? Pretty, huh? Pretty, yes. Let me pause you a sec. Hold on. Looky there. Huh? That is turkey. So, we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. Thanks for the turkey talk. And we'll see you next time. Bye!